Greetings everyone. In this video, we are going to understand what is duration, work and units. A task's duration, work and assignment units are inextricably connected. The mathematical relationship is simple and it's the key to getting your resource assignments right every time. First, a few definitions. Duration is a length of task from its start to its finish. If a task starts on Monday morning and ends on Friday afternoon, the duration is 5 work days. Work represents the person hours it takes to complete the task. For example, a task has duration of 5 days, but you are going to spend only 10 hours on the task. The work is 10 hours. Assignment units, usually referred to as the units and the percentage of the assigned resources available time dedicated to a task. Full time is 100%, half time is 50%. You can show units as a decimal too. In that case, full time is 1.0 and half time is 0.5. Basic algebra is all it takes to understand the relationship between the duration, units and work. Duration equals the work divided by the units. Suppose you estimate work at 40 hours and you specify that the resources works on the task 50% of the time. Doing the math gives you a duration of 80 hours, which is the same as 10 full work days. Switching the formula around, work equals duration times units. If you estimate duration to be 5 days and the resource work 40% on the task, the work to 2 full work days or 16 hours. Similarly, project calculates units if you give it the duration and the work. Say you set the work at 40 hours and the duration at 4 weeks, which is 160 work hours. The percentage of the time the resources work on the task is 25%, shown here as 0.25%. 0.25. Project has built-in rules about which the values it calculates. Unless you give project specific instructions, the program tries to calculate the duration first, then the work, and finally, as a last resort, units. For example, if you fill in the project work and the units, it will calculate the duration. If you fill in only the work and the project calculates the duration by filling in the unit cell with 100% or the resources maximum unit. If you fill in the duration and the units, project calculates the work. If you fill in only the duration, project calculates the work by filling in the unit cell with 100% or the resources maximum unit. And if you give it both duration and the work, it will calculate the units. Additional factors come into the play when you change the resource assignments, which are covered when we talk about modifying resource assignments. The value you enter for duration, work or units determines how project calculates resource assignments. By understanding how these fields work together, you can assign resources and get the result you want. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.